Hello and welcome back, creatives. In today's hands-on Figma tutorial, we'll be designing a modern scroll indicator with a fluid, liquid-style animation effect, inspired by iOS 18. Let's jump right in. We'll begin by setting up our design canvas. Create a new frame using the iPhone 15 Pro dimensions as a baseline. This gives us a realistic mobile interface to work with. To build the liquid effect, we'll take advantage of layer blend modes. Start by drawing a rectangle and fill it with a medium gray tone. Then set its blend mode to color dodge. This enhances the brightness and adds visual contrast. Next, add a second rectangle filled with black. Change its blend mode to color burn. This will provide depth and create the visual illusion of fluid motion when combined with the previous layer. To further amplify the liquid feel, let's introduce a third rectangle. Remove its fill and apply a 15-point stroke, aligned to the center. Move this layer behind the others and apply a blur of around 24. If the visual isn't bold enough, try increasing the stroke size to 35 point. It sharpens the overall depth and makes the blend more noticeable. Now that the foundation is in place, we'll design the scroll indicator. Create a small frame, roughly 50 by 17 pixels. Insert text inside, such as month names or any other scrollable data. Style the background as black and switch the text color to white for contrast. Then round off the corners to the max. Set the corner radius to 100 for a pill-shaped look. To enrich the liquid appearance, add another black rectangle. Again, round its corners to 100 and center it behind the text. Apply a subtle blur to soften the edges and move this blurred rectangle to the back layer. At this point, you should start seeing a smooth, liquid scroll effect taking shape. Let's fine-tune the positioning and scale. Adjust the scroll indicator slightly for better alignment. The result should now look clean and dynamic. Moving on to the animation phase, duplicate the frame to simulate scrolling. Move the blurred layer and the indicator outside the initial frame to simulate vertical scroll. Duplicate these frames as needed for multiple scroll states. Next, tweak the text alignment. Make sure the label inside the indicator is bottom aligned. Adjust for perfect centering and repeat this step for each duplicated frame. To make the scroll experience interactive, switch to prototype mode. Select the layer and add a while pressing trigger. Apply a Smart Animate transition with a gentle easing curve for a natural feel. Then, add another trigger. After delay of just 1 millisecond to automate the sequence. Preview the interaction, and voila! The scroll animation flows smoothly. Repeat the same prototyping steps for additional frames. Add a drag trigger connected to the top screen and enable Smart Animate again for continuity. Now test your prototype in full. Everything should transition seamlessly, mimicking a native mobile experience. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a liquid scroll indicator in Figma. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge UI design tutorials.